Okay, guys, good morning again. Today we will take lesson 14, page 461, divide decimals by powers of 10. Now, before we start, what are the powers of 10, guys? Powers of 10 means 10 with exponent, 10 with power, like 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, and go on. We took that before. Multiples of 10, multiples, products of 10, like the powers of 10, the same, we can express them as 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and go on. So today we will divide decimals by these numbers. We will divide by either powers of 10 or like 10, 100,000, 10,000, and go on. So these are the powers of 10. Before, if you remember, guys, we multiply decimals by powers of 10. If you remember, we did that before. Let's remember what we did. Powers of 10. For example, if I want to multiply 2.345, multiply 10 to the power of 2. Now in multiplication, what we did, guys, we take a look to the power here and push the decimal to the right 2 digits because the power of 2. So this answer will be 234.5. For example, 2.345 multiply 1,000. What we did here, guys, we count the zeros. We have 3 zeros. If we have 3 zeros, we push the decimal 3 digits to the right, and the decimal will be 2345, and the decimal here. The decimal here has no need for it. So in multiplication decimals by powers of 10, we go to the right. But if you divide a decimal by power of 10, what you will do, guys, push the decimal to the left, not to the right, to the left. Okay? So in multiplication by powers of 10, we go to the right. But in division, we go to the left, not to the right, to the left. For example, look here, guys. For example, 237.8 divided by 100. Here we are dividing. If you divide, push the decimal to the left, not to the right. To the right means in multiplication, but we are dividing here. So we are going to the left. How many digits? Depends on the number of the zeros. Here we have 2 zeros. So we push the decimal to the left 2 digits. So the answer will be, the decimal will be between 2 and 3. It will be 2.378. For example, 237.8 divided by 10 to the power 3. Here the power is 3, so I need to push the decimal 3 digits. But where? To the left also, not to the right. So in division, we are going to the left. In multiplication, we are going to the right. We took this in the first semester, but today we are dealing with division, so we always go to the left. As number of the power here 3, we go to the left 3 digits. So the decimal will be in front of 2, before the 2 here. So the answer will be decimal 2378. Here, empty place, add 0. If you have empty place, you add 0. For example, 237.8 divided by 10,000. 10,000s. Here I have 4 zeros. 4 zeros. So I will push the decimal to the left 4 digits. Here I have only 3 digits. If you miss digits, add zeros. If you miss digits, add zeros. So I will go to the left 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. The decimal will be here. Why I add 0? Because I need another digit, because I have only 3 digits here, and here we have 4 zeros. So I will go to the left 4 digits. Now the decimal will be here, 0, decimal, 0, 2, 3, 7, 8. This empty place, add 0. For example, 1.8 divided by 10 to the power 5. 1.8 divided by 10 to the power 5 equal. Here I'm dividing on 10 to the power 5. The power is 5. So I'll push the decimal to the left 5 digits. But I have only 1 digit. So I need another to add another 4 digits to make them 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The decimal will be here. So the answer, decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 8. And this empty place at 0. Sometimes the number has no decimal. For example, 28 divided by 100. This number has no decimal. If the number has no decimal, we add decimal in front of it like this. Then we go to the left. How many digits? 2 digits. So I will go to the left 2 digits. It will be here. So the answer, decimal 28. And the empty place, we add 0. For example, 13 divided by 1000. 13 divided by 1000. Here this number has no decimal. If the number has no decimal, put a decimal here. Okay. Now here I need to I need to push the decimal to the left 3 digits, but I have only 2 digits. I add 0 to make them 3. Then I push the decimal up. The answer will be decimal 0, 1, 3, and the empty place here we add 0. So in general, in multiplication, we go to the right, but in division, we always go to the left. If you miss digits, add zeros. If you don't have decimal, put a decimal in front of the number, then you go back. This is the idea of the lesson, how to divide decimals by powers of 10. Let's take the examples from the book. Example. For example, 219 decimal 50 divided by 10. 219 decimal 5 divided by 10. Here it's division, so I need to go to the left. How many digits? I have only 1 0. So I will go to the left 1 digit. The answer, or the decimal between 1 and 9, the answer will be 2, 1, decimal 9, 5. Now, let's go to the exercises. Hope you understand it. If you don't understand it, guys, you can ask me. Now let's go to the exercises on page 462. Page 462. Question 1. Do the questions with us, guys. I'll start with Muhammad.
Yes, mister.
Yalla, Muhammad. Page 462. Question 1. Read.
New book or this?
No, mister, the same book. Yalla.
Question 1. Divide, check your answer using multiplication. Z is 7.2 divided by 10 equals
7.2 divided by 10. In division, we go to the right or to the left, ya Muhammad?
in division we start we
Go to the left or to the right?
Right.
لا يا مستر. In division we go to the left. Okay.
Okay.
Now, how many zeros we have?
1.
1. So this decimal, I'll push it to the left. How many digits?
1.
1 digit. So the decimal will be before 7, right?
Yes.
So what's the answer will be? Tell me. Decimal, then 7,
Decimal
then
7
2.
2. It means the decimal had no number.
Now here,
0.
what we put? 0. So what's the answer now? 0.72.
0.72.
Get it?
Yes.
Goodbye. Next one, question 2 with Usama.
Yeah, yes, mister.
Yalla. Question 2, read.
Question 2. 21 decimal 5 divide 10 and 2 up.
10 to the power of 2 يا ابني. 10 to the power of 2. يلا. What we do here?
We will push the decimal 2 2 times.
Where?
In the left.
To the left. So we'll go to the left 2 digits. Where the decimal will be?
In the first.
Yalla. What's the answer? Tell me.
0 decimal
0 decimal 21 250. Yes. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Good boy. This is question 2, guys. Copy and put the arrow, guys. Put the arrow. So you understand what we are doing here. Put these arrows, put them, and put the answers. Question 3. Question 3. Omar Adnan. Omar. طيب زيد.
Yes, I am here.
يلا يا عمر.
The question is 19.2 divide
19.2 divided by
10 to the power of 3, obviously.
10 to the power of 3. Yalla, tell me what we will do here.
In division, we will start from the left. We will put the decimal 3 digits.
Yalla, push the decimal to the left 3 digits.
Yes.
But I have only 2 digits. What I will do?
We will add 0.
Add 0, then push 3 digits.
Yes, it will be decimal point. We will put decimal point before the 0.
Yalla, decimal, then
192.
192. This empty place, what we bought?
0.
0. So the answer 0.0192, right?
Yes.
This is question 3, guys. Copy, please. Copy. Question 4. Question 4 with Kareem.
Yes, mister.
Yalla ya Kareem.
5 decimal 62 divided by
5
100.
decimal 62 divided by
100.
100. Yalla, tell me what I will do.
We will go to the left 2 digits.
We will go to the left 2 digits. I have only 1 digit.
So we put 0.
Put 0, then go to the left 2 digits. What's the answer will be?
Decimal 0562.
Decimal 0562, right?
Yes, and put 0.
And put 0 in the empty place, so the answer will be 0.0562. Thank you. This is a question 4, guys. Copy it, please.
Mister,
Yes.
I have a question.
Ask.
If it's 0.05 divided 1, what will do?
Divided by 1.
Yes,
If you divide any number on 1, what's the answer will be?
the same.
The same number, right?
Yes.
Good. Question 5. Question 5. Muhannad.
Yes, mister.
Question 5, read.
Yes. 18.7 divided 100.
18.7 divided by 100. Tell me.
Yes. Now, because we have 2 zeros, we will push the decimal to the left 2 digits.
Good. Push it 2 digits. What's the answer will be?
187.
Best. It's ready. 0.187. Excellent. Thank you.
Welcome.
This is question 5, guys. Copy, please. Question 6. Ziad.
Hello, Mr.
Yes.
Okay, question 6. 6.3 divided 10 to the power 3.
6.3 divided by 10 to the power 3.
We will push the decimal 3 digits.
Where?
And it will to the left.
To the left, 3 digits. But I have only 1 digit.
We will put zeros, 2 zeros.
I'll put 2 zeros and I put the decimal after them. What's the answer will be?
Decimal 0063. And we will
Good.
put the 0 before the decimal.
Hell. So the answer will be 0.0063. Thank you. This is question 6, guys. Copy, please. Question 7. Question 7. Ahmed Aysar.
Yes, mister.
Yalla ya Ahmed. Question 7.
Yes.
Read.
Yeah. 0.05. We put it the same number because it's with 1.
Divided by 1. It will be the same number because we divide on 1, right? Ahmed.
Right, yes.
Yalla, do for me question 8, ya Ahmed. Read.
Okay. 0.012.
0.012
Yes.
divided by
and divided by 10 of the power of 2.
of 2. Yalla. What we will do?
We first we put 0.0012.
0.00012. 3 zeros. Right? Good
Right.
boy. Thank you. Question 9. Do you understand it, Ahmed?
Yes.
Good boy. Question 9, guys. Ibrahim Atiyah.
Yes, mister.
Read.
Okay. 2 446 divided by 10 to the power 1.
Again.
2.46 divided by 10 to the power 1.
1.
Okay. So since there is only 1 0 because it is to the power 1, we will move it by 1 digit.
Good.
So it will be decimal 246, but then we'll add 0 to the empty space.
So the answer 0.246. Thank you. Question 10. Muhannad.
Yes. Question
Read.
10, yes. 8.72 divided 100. First, we will, because we have 2 zeros, we will push the decimal to the left 2 digits, but we don't have 2 digits, so we will add 0. The answer will be 0 decimal 0.872.
Excellent boy. Thank you.
Welcome.
Question 10, guys. Copy, please. Copy. Put the arrows so you understand what we are doing here. Question 11. Imran.
Yes, Mr.
يلا يا مستر.
98.6 divided 10 to the power of 2.
98.6 divided by 10 to the power of 2, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
We have 2 zeros, so we're gonna push the decimals to the left 2 digits.
يلا. What's the answer will be, Imran?
Decimal 986.
986. But we have empty place here. What we bought?
0.
Good boy. Do you understand it?
Yes. Mr.
boy.
What do we do if this is for the example for 137 divided by 1000?
Focus with us. يلا. Question 12. We will do it now. Kinan.
Yes, Mister, but Mister, the page of my book is not find it. It is ممزوع, Mister. I cannot find
Right.
it.
I will write the question for you. Do you understand the lesson?
Yes.
Yalla, I will write the question for you and we will do it together, okay?
Okay.
Question 12, we have 5.71 divided by 1.
Equal
Tell me.
5.71.
5.71. Why? Because we divide on 1, the number stay the same, right?
Yeah.
Stay with me, Ibni. Stay with me. What's your name?
Kinan.
Kinan, yalla. 437 divided by 1,000. And Umran also asked me about this question. Focus, ya Umran. Now tell me here, what we will
Mister,
do?
we put decimal after 7.
Good. Umran, if you listen to me, here we have no decimal. If the number has no decimal, we put decimal after the number like this. And we push it to the left as Kinan said. Here we have 3 zeros. So I will go to the left. How many digits, Kinan?
3 digits.
3 digits. I have already 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So what's the answer will be? Tell me.
0 decimal 437.
Mumtaz. Do you understand the lesson, ya Kinan?
Yes.
Good boy. Thank you. This is question 13, guys. Kabi. Copy the answers, please.
Mister, why did you unmute me?
Do you understand it, Ya Imran? Question 13.
Yeah, I understand it.
Good boy. Thank you. This is question 13, guys. We did the page here. Copy the questions, put the arrows so you understand what we do here. Now let's move to the next page. Muawiyah.
Yes, Mister.
Yalla, read, Ya Muawiyah. We have question 14. Yeah?
Herbert bought red beans to make chili to sell at a fundraiser. The total price of the red beans was 13.90. How much did it cost for each can?
Good. So we will bought red beans, right?
Yeah,
In the table, how many red beans we have?
10.
10. We have 10 from the red beans. The total cost of the red beans 13.90, right?
Yeah,
Stop. 13.90 is the total cost, right?
yeah,
And we have 10 cans of red beans. صح يا مستر?
yes.
What we will do to find the cost of the single can of the red beans, of one can?
Divide.
We will divide. Yeah. So the answer 13.90 divided by 10. Can you tell me what's the answer here?
The zero, there is one zero. We will
Okay,
put the
so
decimal after the 3.
we put the decimal 1 digit to the left, right?
Yeah.
What's the answer will be?
One decimal 390.
This zero has no value, no need for it, right?
Yeah.
So the answer will be 1 decimal 39 ish dollar.
$.
Got it?
Yeah.
Good boy. Thank you. Okay, guys. Now, look to me here. Today at 2 p.m. Today at 2 p.m. afternoon, yani, you have math online assignment. Okay, today at 2 p.m. you have math online assignment. You did assignments before, right?
Yeah.
And this online assignment, you can do it today or tomorrow or Saturday. It will be expired at Saturday at 11 p.m. So you can do it today, tomorrow, Saturday before 11 p.m. So you have online assignment. Don't forget that. Okay, guys? And started at 2 p.m. You can do it any dates during the weekend. It's okay. But you need to do it. It's important about division, about the lessons which we took on this week. Okay, guys? So don't forget your online assignment plus your homework for this lesson. The homework of this lesson, it's on page 465 and 466. Don't forget that. Thank you so much. And before I go, if you don't understand any idea here, please ask me before I go. If you don't have any questions, remove your hands, please. Rawad.
Mister,
Yes.
if I has a number like 429 divide 10 to the power 2.
Okay.
I don't have decimal. Can I put it
We did that.
here between 2 and 9? Or you want to put it in the last?
No, wait. If the number has no decimal, we always put a decimal after it like this. Then to divide on 10 power 2, we go 2 digits
To the left.
for the answer, okay?
Okay.
So what's the answer will be?
Will be 1.29.
Best. Do you understand it?
Yes.
Goodbye. Else. Ahmed Muhammad.
Mr. The homework for yesterday is sent you.
The what?
The homework.
Yes.
Okay.
And I sent the key answers.
Okay.
Goodbye. Check your answers.
Okay.
Else. Ahmed Aysar.
Yes, sir. I have a question. If we have 7.90 divide 6, how we will do it?
Divided by 6.
Yes.
We don't know how we do this, how we divide decimal on whole number.
No, in the problem solving today, it's like this.
Machine, the problem solving today, yes. Do you know how to divide these two numbers?
Yes.
طيب, إيش المشكلة?
Nothing, okay.
We divide, Mr. Normally 7.90 divided by 6. We do division, and once we get the decimal, we put it up. شو نسينا؟
No.
طيب, ركز. Else.
Nothing.
Okay, thank you so much, guys, and see you on Sunday. Don't forget your online assignment. All of you do it. Thank you and have a good weekend. Goodbye.